I will be showing you what really happened on GBPUSD and what we should be expecting for the coming week. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for tuning in once again. So let's go into this together and show what really happened and what we are expecting for the coming week. So welcome back once again, and this is what we have for this week right now. As you can see on the screen right now, I was talking about something very serious about GBPUSD movement in my last video, about price pushing into this demand level, and if this demand level fails to hold the price, then we'll be looking at this next demand level. But I was focusing on this first one to know what is going to happen with this. If you missed the video, I'll be tagging the video in the right corner of this current one, and let's see what I really said about that in the previous video. On the daily time frame, I noticed this level here and this level here. That was what I used to define this my market structure that I have right here, the close of 4-hour candlestick below this market structure. That was when I defined the direction of the market to be a bearish movement. So looking at this right now, going back to the 4-hour time frame, that is where I confirmed that particular movement to be a bearish movement. Going back to the daily time frame, I want to look at where is the possible level to be setting off this market to. If price should respect some kind of supply level on the 4-hour, then if price do that, then where are we selling to? So the next destination I'm looking at is this demand level here. So as you can see, I was talking about how price is going to move from this point to this level here. Then let's go to the 4-hour. Like I said in that video, I confirmed that movement for the bearish movement after price has been moving below this daily market structure for the past 2 weeks. Now we've been having price moving below this level and failed to get to this demand level down here. So this week price was pushed from this level down to this level here, to this demand level here on Thursday, and that was a very good movement, as you can see right now on this chart. So I was looking at that, and that was about 115 to 120 pips movement. Then I was looking at this one that is very small here, which is around 60 to 70 pips movement if price failed to if this level here fails to hold the price. And that was really what really happened. Price was held very well in this level, then price was pulled back into my points. So I'm currently on a trade right now on this period on GBPUSD, because after price respected this level here, I saw this 4-hour closure on this time frame, which was a very good one. So on Friday, I was looking for actually a bullish movement, was what I was actually looking for on that Friday before I joined the bearish movement. So this was what I was looking at on that Friday. I was expecting price to make this kind of movement after price closing away from this area here on the 4-hour. I was looking for something like this to trade. You can see after I want to see a level being taken out, then price pulling back into my point of interest, then price going up from that point. That was what I was really expecting on Friday. But look at what the market did. Price didn't give me exactly what I was expecting, but rather it gave me the second option, which was price coming into this my point of interest up here. We had this massive break, then price made it back into this my point of interest. Then I entered this trade at the closure of this candle here, of this candle here. That was when I entered this trade. That was late on Friday when I entered that trade. The current movement right now is about, you can see we're about 40 close to 45 pips movement already. So what I'm expecting by next week is for price to continue going down from that point, because as I said earlier on in my last video, I said if price can hold this level here, we're looking for us to buy back into this demand level, into this daily market structure here, or probably look for a point to trade from this area here down to this demand level here. And this demand level here is my next focus right now, because price has respected a point of interest right here, and the market is dropping again from that point. So I want to see this continuation. I'm less concerned with this demand level here because it has been respected, and that is all about that. So my next focus now is this demand level down here. I want to see price drop into that demand level here. So I'll be looking for next opportunity to join this market after price creates probably a structure here to the downside, and I'll be looking for a point of interest around this area, something like this, something similar to this. Then I will join the movement downward. So what are we looking at right now? We are looking at a move of 250 pips. You can see now I'm looking at price dropping into this way, but if this level here, sometimes if a demand level or a supply level is respected, there's high tendency that market is going to make a massive movement from that point onward, because you don't know what is going to happen. If this demand level here is strong enough to push the price, it might take out this market structure, then bounce off into the supply. So this can be a massive movement. We don't know yet, but I'm looking at this market structure here. This can still be a factor for pushing the price down, which is currently what I'm thinking is going to happen right now, because of what happened on Friday after I push in on this trade now. So this might just be the last movement the market is going to make before getting into this level here, or probably there may be some kind of pullback again then before we move down to the side. So if price close above this, that means we'll be looking for trade towards this supply level here. But if price is pushed back into this level here, we'll be looking for price closing away from it on the 4 hour, then we'll be looking for sell into this level here. So right now I'm majorly expecting three things. I'm expecting three things to happen on this pair right now for next week. The very first one is for price to continue moving into this demand area here. That is one. Then the second thing that I'm expecting is for price to push back into this area here. After pushing back into this area here, either drop into this demand level or price takes out this level here, then make the movement into the supply level here. So these are the three major things that I'm expecting, but the one that I'm rooting for, the one that I'm really looking out for, is for the sell to continue into the demand level here. It's for this sell to continue to this demand level here, but anything can still happen. We don't know yet, because that is what I'm in already. I'm in on a trade right now. I'm looking for ways to go into more position on that, then hold the market till it gets to this demand area here. So that is what I'm really looking at for this week. I'm looking out for price to drop back into this demand level, and that is going to be a very massive trade if that can go in my favor. I'm currently up with I think around 40 something pips, and if this can go in my favor, that means I'll be taking around 220 pips on this first trade, and then probably I'll be adding more position to that. Until price gets to this demand level here. So that is what I'm really seeing on this chart right now. If you find any value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell for you to be having the notification about any video that I'll be dropping on this channel. So thanks for staying this long, and have a wonderful weekend. See you again next week. Bye for now.